What's going on, Dominators? This is going to be an extremely quick episode because this is a special announcement. Now, if you've been following the show for the past couple of years, you've realized that over the past few months, I've actually gone a little quiet, and there's a very specific reason for that. You see, over the past several months, I've actually been working on something that I'm extremely passionate about and that I feel, and I have evidence, that the industry truly, genuinely needs. And now is time for the big reveal. So without further ado, this is what we've got going on and what I've been working on behind the scenes. If you've been following along with the show for any extended period of time, you know that one of the things that I'm most passionate about is marketing, whether that be SEO, whether that's PPC, whether that's YouTube advertising, you name it, we've done it, not only as an agency, but we've done it internally, in-house, for my restoration company that allowed me to go from 0 to 7 figures in under a year and scale beyond that year over year. And more importantly, with 98% of all of the projects and all of the money being cash paying clients. So needless to say, over the past several years, we've had many firms, many organizations, restoration companies reaching out to me via email, via phone calls, you name it, trying to get in contact with me via LinkedIn. And they've all been asking the exact same thing. Hey, can you go ahead and help us with our marketing? And the answer has always been no. Until now, which is what I've been working on for the past several months. So for a limited time only and for a limited amount of clients, I am currently opening up the door to my marketing agency to go ahead and help you, the restoration contractor, using the exact same methods that I've used in my company that have allowed me to go ahead and grow and scale my organization with tons of predictability, knowing that every time I can pull a dollar into marketing, that I know that I was going to get $4, $5, $10, $15 out. So if you're tired of the BS marketing organizations that are out there, if you're tired of the BS, search engine optimization and PPC and all of these different marketing gurus out there that don't put their money where their mouth is, well, then this is going to be an opportunity for you and I to work together. Now, not only am I going ahead and offering you the service, but let me just tell you how confident we are that we can go ahead and actually perform for you. Okay, because again, I'm not just a marketing agency. I started, before I got into the restoration arena, I started as a marketing agency. And then that evolved into me getting into the restoration arena and scaling my business from there. A lot of the practices that were common in the marketing agency, when I actually became the business owner, guess what? They didn't apply, right? It just didn't translate into actual projects and money being deposited into my account. So this is how confident I am that no other firm is putting their money where their mouth is. I am actually going ahead and doing a 200% money back guarantee. In other words, if we don't perform, if we don't enhance your marketing, if we don't get you ranking, if we don't move the needle on your digital marketing, not only do you not pay, but I will go ahead and pay you 100% of whatever your initial investment was, just for wasting your time. No other organization is putting that kind of a guarantee out there. You know why? Because they know that they can't back that up. So after all these years, after having so many conversations and really kind of getting to see what's happening behind the scenes with a lot of other restoration companies, I finally decided to go ahead and open up the doors to my marketing agency and give you an opportunity to go ahead and work with me and my team to help you grab the bull by the horns and take control of your marketing. So this is what I want you to do. If this is an offer that you want to go ahead and take care of, if you want to go ahead and take advantage of this, you want to go ahead and get your marketing right, you want to work with your SEO, you want to get your website right, you want to get your Google Map Pack or your Google business listing or your PPC or your YouTube campaign, if you want to get that up and running and actually being profitable, and you want to work with me and my team, then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click the link below in the show notes and or in the video description below Go ahead and click that link, and that's going to take you over to an application process. Yes, we're not taking on everybody. Like I said, it's going to be open for a limited amount of time and for a limited amount of clients. So make sure that if you want to go ahead and take advantage of this and also be backed up by that 200% money back guarantee, that you actually pull the trigger on this now, because spots are going to fill up very, very, very fast. And I know this because we're constantly getting the calls and we're getting the emails, but I wanted to go ahead and make sure that each and every single one of you, the supporters that have been supporting this show, that have been listening, that have wanted to go ahead and implement some of these strategies, that you had an opportunity to go ahead and get in as well. So make sure that you fill out that application, and either myself or someone from my team will go ahead and reach out to you with the next steps. Or if you don't want to go ahead and click on the link, or you can't find the link, whatever the case may be, go ahead and head on over to restorationdomination.com/marketing. So that's restorationdomination.com/marketing. Fill out the application, and either myself or someone from my team will get in contact with you, and we'll get your marketing right. Talk to you soon.